And we're rolling. Hi Sandra, how are you today?
Hi Maria, great as always.
Good. You joined Blackwing with a composite background. Can you tell us about that?
Yes, of course. My background before I joined Blackwings is also related to composites. We're talking about fibers and resin, and then you make a product, but it was in a very different production. I was working with the Blackwing turbines production. Siemens Gamesa and Nordes Group was the main company that I have been working. The difference is like the pace on those companies is really wild, but it gives me the background to have like a mind-solving mindset, and also to always pursue for the quality and for the efficiency.
Great. That's exciting. So how does that connect to what we do here at Blackwing?
Yeah, I can say that here in Blackwing we apply the same discipline. We always looking for the high level of precision, but the craftsmanship that we achieve here cannot be achieved in the mass production company. So here the attention to the detail is in another level, of course.
All right, that's good. So what is it that makes our material and process stand out?
Okay, let's start with the material. I guess the material will stand for a material that I'm passionate really, because it's amazing. Although it's a challenge in some part, but it's amazing material. We'll stand for the two materials. This is the twill. We use a twill 280 grams per square meters. I will go a little technical now, but just a little. It's a twill 4-4 that it gives an amazing mechanical performance, especially in pieces like we have, that you have to cover radius, corners, and angles that are really a challenge. And also will stand for the TeXtreme that we use here. So many companies use this TeXtreme, but and it is knowing that the TeXtreme is a spray tow. But this one can offer an extra, it's a full extra carbon fiber. And what I mean is an extra thin plies. What it does mean for the product? Minimal crimp, high stiffness, and lower weight, of course, and it will reduce when like in this case, in the upper skins, it will reduce the drag aerodynamically. So it's an amazing material.
Many things we like: reduced drag and reduced weight.
Exactly, that's it. The thing about this, and I'm really passionate, is how we apply it. Like I said before, another companies also use the TeXtreme and all the other materials, but how we apply it here in Blackwing is the real challenge. Look at only, I show you these pieces because sometimes an image word for words. Look at these angles that we have to really bend and try it. And
is that a big challenge to you guys when you build?
Yes, this is especially this piece. This piece is my nightmare. But it's really amazing to see at the end the results.
Yeah.
That effort that you do to take the TeXtreme, like I said, the TeXtreme is a spread toe. It's like imagine that it's like a tape, because normally it doesn't work like the other material, the other fiber carbon. So you have to put this here and adapt it to the curves of the mold, and that is really a challenge. But then you have this beautiful piece.
We get this beautiful result.
Yeah, this is amazing result, yes.
What does this really mean for the customer?
Oh, that means that the customer have a high-level performance product, a great stiffness, like I say, a lower weight, and especially they can trust that they will have all this every time and every flight.
That's great. Thank you, Sandra.
You're welcome.